Hello everyone, this is a recording of the Week 3 quiz. Please have your Week 3 quiz and in the Part B U.S. History course open while you listen to this recording. Question 1. Which of the following was a reason some Americans were in support of American imperialism? Immigration needed to be restricted. The U.S. needed to maintain their isolation from other countries. The U.S. had a need for more natural resources and new markets to sell goods. The U.S. should not expand beyond its current borders. Question 2. All of these are reasons why people were against American imperialism, except people wanted the U.S. to be competitive with other world powers. Imperialism goes against classic American principles and violated the Constitution. Imperialism hurt American workers by causing an influx of cheap labor. Some feared an increase of non-white people to American territory. Question 3. Which of the following did not lead to the start of the Spanish-American War? Yellow journalism, explosion of the U.S. battleship Maine, desire of the U.S. to protect its investments in Cuba, Spain invaded U.S. territory. Question 4. As part of America's imperialistic goal to expand to gain more land and resources, what territories did the U.S. acquire as a result of the Spanish-American War? Cuba and Guam, Guam and Puerto Rico, the Philippines and Cuba, Cuba and Puerto Rico. Question 5. Theodore Roosevelt's philosophy of foreign policy was summed up by his quote, "to speak softly and carry a big stick." Which would Roosevelt oppose as part of his policy? Building the Panama Canal, intervening in the blockade of Venezuela, sending Marines into Cuba, reducing the size of American military forces. Question 6. Which best describes William Howard Taft's dollar diplomacy? Buying the favor of other nations by sending bribes to their leaders, hiring the best available diplomats regardless of salaries, extending American foreign policy influence through business deals rather than military force, accepting money from other nations in exchange for favors. Question 7. What were Woodrow Wilson's goals for U.S. diplomacy? To acquire new territory peacefully, to promote world peace through American influence, to build the military, especially the Navy, to gain land in Mexico, to exceed Polk's vision of American territorial growth. And question 8. In the early 1900s, Theodore Roosevelt, William Howard Taft, and Woodrow Wilson took actions that reduced America's presence and influence in the world. Is that statement true or false? Remember to submit your quiz when you are finished. If you have any questions, reach out to your teacher. Good luck on your quiz and have a great day.